Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add non-Steam games to your Steam library. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your Steam account, then go to Steam library as you can see right here. Then click on this icon right here, add a game. Left click on it, then it will show you three options. Click on add a non-Steam game. And now here, as you can see, you have many options that you can choose one of them. But let's say that you cannot have or find your game in these options right here. All you have to do is to click on browse, then locate the game from the files that you have on your PC. Then after choosing the game, click on open and it will be added to these games right here. And after that, click on the game that you want to add. Check the box beside the game, then click on add selected programs. And here, as you can see, I have added Overwatch, as you can see right here. And now if you want to change this black background, all you have to do is to right click on it, then click on set custom background, and you can choose whatever background you want. And you can also download some backgrounds from the internet. Let's say that I have a small background here. I will choose this one, then click on open, and now as you can see, you have the background. And all you have to do to play the game is simply click on play the game, and congratulations, now you have added a non-Steam game to your Steam library. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.